My name is Maya, and today I'll be teaching you how to do the jellyfish. First, you're going to start by taking a hit off of your device, coughing out your O, and waiting for it to stabilize. After the O is stabilized, you're going to take a second drag off of your device and then exhale the vapor into the O. Here's what a jellyfish looks like from a different angle. The vapor also doesn't always have to be exhaled into the center of the O. It can also be filled from the bottom, or it can be filled from the top. When doing a trick of any kind, an important tip is to have stable airflow. What this means is to not walk around or have a window open to cause a draft. A draft will cause your O to dissipate and become frail. Another important tip when doing the jellyfish is not to exhale too aggressively. This will cause the O to break and the jellyfish will not form properly. You can also do the jellyfish with a very faint O. This is called an invisible jellyfish. The cool thing about the jellyfish is that it can be incorporated within a number of tricks. Here are a couple examples. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and download the Vape app. Vape is a social media application created by vapors for vapors. Find exclusive content from all of your favorite influencers, post content of your own, and meet vapors from around the globe.